Today, we are using 1.6 Earths to give us what we need to live, eat, and grow our economies. We are plundering and polluting nature's resources, treating it as a dumping ground for plastic and waste. If we don't act now, we could lose 1 million species in the next few decades. Like we would lose our coral reefs, which will impact fish first, then fishers, then entire economies. But it doesn't have to be this way. What if I told you there's a solution? It's called ecosystem restoration. Healthy ecosystems regulate our drinking water and carbon, which are the backbone of life on Earth. All living things need carbon. Trees store carbon, so does soil, and seagrass in the ocean. Even the human body is 18% carbon. But as ecosystems become weak, they release carbon instead of storing it. Look at the soil below your feet. Healthy soil grows 95% of our food. But pollution, climate change, and pesticides are making soil less productive. And when yields go down, instead of restoring, we expand. Till more land turning wild places into farmland and pollute healthy soil. When we lose forests, wildlife is forced to come closer to humans, bringing what's called zoonotic disease, a virus that is passed between animals and humans, like bird flu, Ebola, and COVID-19. But there are some actions we can take today. Growing trees in cities would help to cut pollution dramatically. They would filter and cool the air, improving our health and reducing global warming. But trees can do more. Look at mangroves, for example. For each dollar we spend on restoring mangroves, we would earn $4 as they protect our coastlines from storms and floods. Building economies around nature will create jobs for the future, jobs that you could have. Restoring ecosystems will not be simple, and it will not be easy. But together, we can do it. We are calling entrepreneurs, thinkers, leaders in your family, school, and workplace to get involved. Can you do your part too? Reimagine how and what you consume. Recreate your relationship with the planet. Join Generation Restoration. Be a part of the solution.